Are you tired of feeling stuck financially? Want to see your net worth grow faster than ever before? In this video, I'm sharing 5 smart money moves that will transform your finances and set you on the path to wealth. Stick around. Number 5 might just surprise you. Building wealth isn't just for the rich, it's for anyone willing to make smart, intentional decisions. Whether you're starting from zero or already growing your assets, these 5 money moves will help you grow your net worth and secure your financial future. Welcome to Financially Savvy. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon for more videos on personal finance, investing, and building wealth. Tip 1: Master your budget. Money move number 1. Master your budget. A solid budget isn't about restrictions, it's about control. Knowing exactly where your money goes gives you the power to redirect it toward your goals. Use tools like apps or spreadsheets to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back, like those impulse buys or unused subscriptions, and redirect that cash into savings or investments. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar you can put to work for your future. Tip 2: Invest in the right places. Next, it's time to invest wisely. Keeping your money in a savings account won't make it grow, but putting it into investments will. Start by investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs that mirror the stock market. These options provide steady, long-term growth with minimal risk. And if your employer offers a 401k match, take it. It's essentially free money for your retirement. Tip 3: Pay off high-interest debt. Number 3 is a game changer. Eliminate high-interest debt. Credit card debt and high-interest loans are wealth killers. They keep you in a cycle of paying interest instead of building wealth. Focus on paying these off as quickly as possible, using strategies like the snowball or avalanche method. Once you're debt-free, you'll have more cash flow to invest and grow. Remember, being debt-free is one of the fastest ways to increase your net worth. Tip 4: Create multiple income streams. Now for the exciting part: creating multiple income streams. One income source can only take you so far, but diversifying your income will accelerate your wealth building. Consider starting a side hustle, investing in dividend stocks, or creating a passive income stream like a rental property. Even an extra $500 a month can compound into a significant amount over time. Think of it as planting seeds for future wealth. Tip 5: Track your net worth. Last but definitely not least, track your net worth regularly. You can't grow what you don't measure. Use tools like Mint or Personal Capital to calculate your net worth. It's simple. Subtract your liabilities from your assets. Tracking this number monthly or quarterly will help you stay motivated and make smarter financial decisions. Seeing progress, even small gains, will keep you inspired and on track. Those are the 5 smart money moves to grow your net worth. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck, it's about consistent, intentional decisions. Which of these tips are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.